So how do you lock your contacts on the Android phone? Let's talk about it. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely become part of the channel community by subscribing, so that way you're not going to miss anything important. So the best way to lock your contacts is by setting up a secure folder. So you're going to check out your settings and look up that specific thing, literally secure folder, and make sure that you have it set up. It requires a little bit, of a setup, right? So just do that, set up a PIN code or whatever, right? Just go through these settings. But what you need to do is to then locate it on your device, get inside, and you can bring in some of the contacts or other things, like obviously it might be some photos, files, whatever. But you can see I have the contacts in here. I can import the contacts like that, right? And I have the ability to just, have some of them saved right here. So I can literally tap on plus, right? And I'm going to just save and create a brand new contact, which is only going to be part of the secure folder. So I'll be able to make phone calls from in here. It's going to work out fine, but it's not accessible through the regular contacts application, which is going to be a completely separate thing. So that way, I can have my contacts separate and hidden away, like locked even with a passcode, which I can then return to and just make a phone call, whatever I need, but it can get the job done that way. So let me know if you managed to make it work. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll see you later.